শুরু করবো।
হ্যাঁ, শুরু করেন।
1 মিনিট দাঁড়াও। স্লাইড অনস নাকি? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our presentation. I am Rezwan Fahim. My student ID is 221331633. Here is my teammate MD Noyan Ali and me Rezwan Fahim. In slide index, we see what is cooling tower, types of cooling tower, how do you control the temperature of a cooling tower, modeling and analysis and complex system, cooling tower pipelining, and last, working principle of cooling tower. Now I am describing about definition of cooling tower. The industrial cooling tower is a device that acts as heat rejection equipment. It rejects waste heat from the water and thereby reduce the temperature of the water. It is used in industries to reduce the temperature of water and thereby provide cooling water utility for the process. Next, types of cooling tower: natural draft cooling tower and mechanical draft. Types of industrial cooling tower based on airflow pattern. There are two types: cross flow cooling towers, counter flow cooling tower. Next, how do you control the temperature of cooling tower? Implementing a VFD or variable frequency drive for the cooling tower fan motor is another method to improve temperature control. Traditional cooling tower fan control logic stages the fan motor on or off based upon the set point of the system. Next, modeling and analysis cooling tower control. Heating, ventilation and air conditioning system are used to control temperature and humidity inside buildings. They use cooling tower at one end to expel excess heat from the refrigerant into the atmosphere. The heat is expelled through evaporating cooling. The rate of cooling depends on the cooling tower surface area, humidity, temperature, and speed, water, and air. Now I call my next teammate to continue his part.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Noyan Ali. My student ID 221331599. Today, our presentation topic control in cooling tower. Cooling tower piping. Aquatrium blue pipe is available in half to 24 size and includes an option of flexible 100-meter coils for size 1 inch and smaller. Aquatherium is lightweight and are 70 to 80% less weight than Schedule 40 steel. They will not scale or corrode. They have high flow rate which reduce stress on other components of the system and use less energy. They are backed by a 10-year unlimited insurance policy that covers replacement material, labor, and damage occurred during a failure. This insurance policy to date has never had a claim made on it yet. Next, working principle of cooling tower. Cooling tower works on the principle of evaporation. Hot water is sprayed from the top of the cooling tower, which exchanges heat with the atmospheric air and results in a reduction of the temperature of hot water. The convection mode of heat transfer is used in the cooling tower or heat transfer takes place between air and water. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.